Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for the US session yesterday, which was Monday the 9th of May. So starting with the S&P, we said that the SPX continues to show weakness on the higher time frames. If we held below 4061 to 71 at the open and saw a sustained break below 4027 to 37, then this opened up a move towards 3976 to 3986. So let's go and have a look at the S&P yesterday. Okay, so as you can see, although the price action was very messy on the US Open, we did actually hold below 4061 to 4071. We then got the sustained break below the 4027.37 zone here. Although this actually failed to hold initially, there was potentially a couple of reversals in here. So if you'd taken them, they may have actually been stopped out, or probably would have been stopped out. But notice how when we did come down again, we broke down again, we held it here, and we actually got a really nice reversal signal here as well to hold those. So you may have had one loser earlier on in the session, but as soon as you saw that second break, we then got the and then the hold, and this one here especially about an hour before the close was a really nice reversal pattern, which then came down and it hit that 41.23 to the 39.76 to 39.86 zone, which we mentioned in the report. There was actually a reversal signal from that support area as well, which would have worked, but it was very late in the session and not one that I would have necessarily taken. It did take the liquidity of that zone, and it was a really nice reversal pattern. So just for pattern recognition point of view, that's a really nice one to note. However, not one that I would have taken into the close of the session. This one here, however, was a very nice reversal. So the zones worked well. We did probably have one losing trade in here where we got a bit of chop around that 4027 to 37 zone, but as soon as we got that momentum down below that zone, we then went and saw that 39.76 to 39.86 zone that we mentioned in the report. So now let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, so we said the Dow was approaching key support at 32.230 to 32.280, with the sustained breaks below there setting up moves to 31.7160 to 31.810. If we gained acceptance above 32.650 to 32.700, we could see move back towards resistance at 32.870 to 920. So let's go and have a look at the Dow from yesterday. Okay, so the Dow, a bit like the FTSE, a bit like the S&P, opened up and was very choppy early on in the session, no clear direction, and this 32.450 to 32.500, which we actually had as a fairly key zone, just really showed a lot of chop. So when that happens, you really want to make sure that you are only just staying for those, looking out for those key zones, and we actually got a reversal signal from that key support zone here. And we would have been just targeting this zone here at 32.450 to 32.500, seen as the overall tone of the market was bearish. We then continued to chop around, and we actually got a very small false break of this zone here at the close. So we'll have to wait and see where we open up this afternoon. We are actually at the moment rallying a little bit, so it looks like just a liquidity grab of that zone towards the close of yesterday's session, but that key support zone did hold with a nice reversal pattern there towards the European session close. So that was a zone that worked well. The rest of the price action on the Dow yesterday was very choppy, with nothing really that you would want to have got involved in. So I hope you found these reports useful. Please come sign up to the Key Zone Traders community, where you get to chat to like-minded traders about these setups and about these reports, and you receive these reports before the markets open, so you can get yourself set up in time to trade. These US reports allow you to trade right up until 9 o'clock at night, as shown with that S&P. The best opportunity actually of the evening came towards the close at about just after 8 o'clock. So plenty of time to take advantage of these reports. So I hope you found this one useful, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.